Deviantart tutorial. So here is the app. It's an app for art community where you discover the largest online art gallery and community for artists, art enthusiasts. This app allows people to connect through the creation and sharing of art. We entertain, inspire, and empower the artists in all of us. The Deviantart app offers a variety of exciting, fresh content from digital art, pixel art, anime, and fun art to traditional media of painting, drawing, photography, poetry, and sculpture. Yep, so this is the app. Explore your favorite art, get inspired by 500 million works of art, find art that fascinates you, showcase your personality, build communities, make friends. Here's how the app looks like. It's kind of like Instagram or Twitter. You just see all the different artworks here, and then if you like, you can just go and favorite them. You can follow some, so you just save them to the feature, see more like that. You can watch this artist, you can go to the profile, you can watch, you can try to chat and send messages. So here, for example, you can showcase yourself as an artist and find some job gig. Some people, maybe some business owners, whatever, can reach out to you for some job opportunities. There is a community and there are a bunch of groups here. If you swipe to the left, then obviously you can create your own posts and statuses, not only images, also literature, and there's just text statuses. And then here you have your profile where you just that's just your profile with your posts, with your account. You can edit, add your website URL, portfolio URL, send, and yeah, basically that's the app. Like if you're one of the, if you're in an artist or in design, graphic design space, that's the app definitely for you to check out.